G'day guys, welcome to the video before the main video starts. Quick wheat video. This truck here, it's new on the channel. I bought it last week and yeah, this is it. It's a 200 TDI 1991 Disco. Picked it up for cheap. It's going to be just the workhorse. You'll see it on the videos a bit. I do want to do a bit of work to it, but for the time being, you'll probably just see it in the odd video. It's definitely not one which is going to get heavy mods to start with. But yeah, I figured I might as well show it to you. I actually, I'm down the Selwyn River right now. I had a couple hours to kill and I didn't know what to do, so I was like, you know what, I'll go see what the Selwyn's looking like. So here it is. I didn't even intend on filming, but I got down here and I saw that I'd left my camera in the truck, so I was like, well, I might as well film this quick video. So here it is. It's bone stock. Not a lot to say about it really. It's done 320,000 Ks. It's had an engine rebuild, refresh on it, so that's a win. Yeah, it is absolutely stock as a rock. Which of course it will change. Like I want to put a small lift in it, some slightly bigger tyres, and tweak the motor a little to try to get a bit more juice out of it, because coming from the V8s, while it's awesome having the cheap fuel economy in it, far out it is slow, and it's going to have to be towing trailers, so definitely going to have to get a bit more go out of it, which you'll see in the future. But for the next wee bit, you'll probably just see this in the odd video. So yeah, this is it. I haven't got a name for it yet, but I'm sure it'll come up and you'll hear about that later. Anyway, let's get to the main video. G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Far out, this is gonna be an awesome day. As you can see by the title, we are off to pick up my mate Brad's truck. He was in a video a couple videos ago. Hopefully he's gonna have a truck soon as well. Hopefully. He's bought a Vitara, so we're headed down to Temuka to collect it. We've also got my new truck in the background, which we'll talk about more once we hit the road. I'm just fueling up here in Rolleston and we're gonna get on the road. But we're going to do an off-road trip back through Twizel and Tekapo. They've had a whole bunch of snow, so we're going to go have a bit of a play on the way home. It's going to be awesome. I can't wait, so let's get into it. Ha ha ha! Alright guys, well we've made it. Brad, how do you feel about the new truck?
Oh, I'm super stoked.
There we go guys, so that's it there. We'll take a better look at it once we're away from the property, but looks good, looks very good. Look at him! Alrighty guys, so from here we're gonna hit the road. We're gonna head down to Oamaru, and we'll probably debrief there, kind of get some food, and then we'll head through to Amarama and hopefully find some snow and do a bit of snow off-roading. It should be awesome. So yeah. Alrighty guys, well we've made it to Oamaru. Brad's just getting some fuel, then we're gonna get some food, and then we're finally going to start heading inland towards Amarama. But probably not very far through the video, but it's already like 12:30, so we got to get a wriggle on or it's going to be a pretty late night. But yeah, we'll get some fuel for Brad and food and we'll be away. Just pulled off at the Waitaki Dam. It is looking absolutely unreal. It was meant to be pretty shocking weather, but it's turned out awesome. Just take a look at this. Like, absolutely awesome. So, I mean, it'd be rude not to stop. I mean, this is just awesome. We haven't even done any off-roading. It's like 2 o'clock, I think. But yeah, no, it's just awesome to get out here and just even do a road trip. Let alone once we get into the snow. There's snow on the mountains. You won't be able to see because of the sun, but snow in the mountains in the background. I'm loving it. Absolutely loving it. It's been a while since I've had a good adventure like this, so it's awesome. Anyway, I think might as well speak about Brad's Zook just quickly. So it's a 92 Vitara, or Scudo, or Sidekick, or Geo-Track, or whatever you want to call it. It's got a 3-inch Calmany lift with extended wheelbase, 31s, bit of bar work, rock sliders. It's got the 1.6 auto. It's just a really good, honest truck. Really good club truck, so it'll be great to have Brad on a few more trips. You should be seeing plenty more of him on the channel in the future. So yeah, we'll look at the truck more in a bit, but I'm just going to soak this view in because it's unreal. Alrighty guys, well, we've made it to Amarama. Nearly ready to start the off-roading, but far out. Sometimes just a road trip, that's all you need. Like, it has been absolutely awesome, this the drive through from Oamaru through to Amarama. Unbelievable scenery. We're just topping off Brad's tank. He's just over there. But far out, it's been awesome. Alrighty guys, well, we made it to the start of the off-road track. The weather's not quite as awesome as it's been earlier today, but it's all good. Behind me is Lake Ruataniwha, the big dam holding it all back. So what we're going to do is we're going to air down here, and then we're going to make our way down the off-road track. So Brad's just airing down to 15 psi just because it's a really lightweight truck on muddies. I've left 22 pounds in the tyres of this thing. But yeah, check this lake out. What a spot, eh? Look at this. Crystal clear the water as well. It's awesome. Anyway, wait till Brad's got all his air out of his tyre. Well, not all the air out, never mind. Wait till he's aired down and we'll hit the tracks, eh? Easy. Yep, you're good. made it right out over there is Lake Ohau, and we are just going to be heading across to the Halden campground. So we've got a bit of a river to cross, so that will be a bit interesting, especially for me without a snorkel. But we'll make our way across there and continue on. Alright, it's cold. Disco did it though. It's weird running on a truck with the small tyres again. I'm so used to having all the flotation in the world. Anyway, here comes Brad. Far out. What a spot, eh? Alright guys, we've been bombing along this road for the last, probably half an hour. I've been following Matt and Brad in the zoo. And the clouds just lifted and far out. What a view. I'm buzzing. It's golden hour, it's clear, and there's just snow all around on the mountains. I'll try and get some nice shots for you guys. But it's awesome. Brad wants to hear what his new truck sounds like. Approve? That sounds good. Alrighty guys, well we've made it to Tekapo. Far out, what an awesome day it's been. Started off the trip with one truck and no snow, and we've ended the trip with 2 trucks, one of which is quite dirty, thanks to those offset wheels. And yeah, Brad's finally got some seat time, and yeah, it's just been awesome. And finally got to see some snow. I know I've been going on about it, eh Matt? Just a bit, but far out. It's been a while since I've had to play in snow, so that was fun. Well, just like usual, I forgot to film an outro, but I figured rather than filming it in front of the computer screen like I always seem to do, I'd film it out here. But yeah, what an awesome trip. I loved that trip. It was really good to do a trip that was a bit different. As you guys probably know if you watch the videos, we normally do a lot harder off-roading than that. But yeah, it was just really good to get out there and have a trip, pretty much a road trip for most of the day, and a bit of light off-roading in there, just soaking the scenery. Yeah, you forget what it's like to go out in the middle of winter down to the Mackenzie country. It's something special. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like down below, and let us know in the comments what you thought of it. Whether you like more of this, you know, more tame stuff, or whether you're all about the hardcore stuff. Good to know. And yeah, give us a subscribe to stay tuned for more. I've already gone and filmed the next video. It's a trip over to the west coast again, doing some rough stuff. Lando here is looking a little muddy after that. It was a sweet trip, so stay tuned for that by hitting subscribe. A few people have also asked about a subscriber meetup, which I mentioned a few videos ago. It is still happening. I'm just waiting till I get a chance when I get a free weekend and the trucks aren't broken, because they always seem to take a bit of abuse. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Cheers guys. I'll see you then.